One of the scientists responsible for developing the AstraZeneca vaccine here in Britain has warned that a future pandemic could be more contagious or even more lethal. Prof Dame Sarah Gilbert said funding was needed to ensure the knowledge gained over the last 2 years in fighting deadly viruses wasn't lost. On the Omicron variant, she said steps should be taken to slow its spread until more is known about it. Mark Lobel reports.
A stark warning from the creator of the Oxford-AstraZeneca vaccine that the advances made could be lost without more funding for future pandemics.
This will not be the last time a virus threatens our lives and our livelihoods. The truth is, the next one could be worse. It could be more contagious or more lethal or both.
Dame Sarah also had this note of caution about current vaccines' resistance to the new Omicron variant.
There are additional changes that may mean antibodies induced by the vaccines or by infection with other variants may be less effective at preventing infection with Omicron.
The Omicron variant of the coronavirus has spread to about a third of states in the US, which is tightening testing timelines for inbound international travellers. From Monday, anyone flying into America will now need to obtain a negative COVID-19 test taken the day before they fly to the US, whether vaccinated or not, regardless of citizenship. There's unease at some restrictions across Europe. Compulsory COVID passes for restaurant entry to combat rising COVID cases even before Omicron's impact has angered these protesters in Brussels.
Quel qu'il soit, je supporte pas la discrimination.
I can't bear discrimination in any form, and now there's the vaccine pass. Well, that's discriminatory. There's sanctions for carers who haven't been vaccinated, and mandatory vaccines, they're heading our way. We don't want a dictatorship.
People who want the vaccine have the vaccine. I don't want it. But this pass stops me being able to have a social life. I came to demonstrate to say I don't agree with that.
With similar complaints in Denmark, Austria, the Netherlands and Germany. As Omicron cases creep up in the UK, 246 and counting, from Tuesday, pre-departure COVID tests will be needed for over 12s entering the UK 2 days before departure. And Nigeria is going on the UK's travel red list from Monday, adding to the many southern African countries already on the list. But the latest changes have been criticised as a case of shutting the stable door after the horse has bolted by a scientist advising the government. Professor Mark Woolhouse argues the new rules had come too late to make a material difference to a potential wave of the Omicron variant in the UK. These changes have also been described as a hammer blow by the travel industry. Mark Lobel, BBC News.